Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC in your Subaru Outback. This is a 2008. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. So the first thing we're going to do here is start up our vehicle. And we're going to make sure that our AC is all the way on cold and that the AC button is on. There's a little light there that you can see that's on. Then we're going to turn it all the way up to the highest blower setting. Now we're over here on the passenger side of the car with the engine running. Be careful not to touch anything hot. Right here is your low side port. So we're going to unscrew this cap and set it over here in a safe spot. And then we're going to connect our AC hose. So these just push on and snap on. Now we can see what we're at as far as our gauge here. I just want to top it off a little bit. I'd like to see it a little closer to 40. So we're going to pull the trigger, just kind of oscillate the can a little bit between 12 and 3 o'clock. See, we're inching up there a little bit. So you're just going to keep repeating this until you get your desired fill level. You don't want to get it up there too high, but definitely a little bit more helps out a lot. See, we're starting to inch closer to that 40. So you can just keep doing this till you get to your needed fill level. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, can you smash that thumbs up button for me to help me out? And hope you have a good day.